Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I'm just going to show you guys how I made this logo for a client and how you guys can also make this type of logo for your clothing brand as well. I'm going to show you guys how to get that nice stroke outline along the logo, and I'm going to show you how to get that arched, distorted effect on it as well. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so right here we have our logo. I'm just going to bring them in together, get some nice spacing, and then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to hold Alt and click it and drag Alt and left click, just so then I have a spare copy if I mess up and I don't want to Control Z a million times. I have another copy that I can just get straight to work in, and now we can get to work on this one. Okay, so now once my logo is ready, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Object, and then we're gonna go to Expand. So after we expand it, we're gonna go back to Object, and we're gonna go to Path, and then Offset Path. This will give us that stroke around the logo. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna change the joint to round, and then for offset, you can adjust it to how you want, but for now, I'm just gonna use 13. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna hit Command X. This will cut the path, and then we're gonna hit Command B and place it in the back to make sure it's behind our original logo. And then we're gonna change the color so then we can see what we're actually doing. So then after that, we're gonna go to Pathfinder, and then we're going to merge that red path we just made so then it's all just one. If you don't know where the Pathfinder window is, just go up to Window at the top of the screen and scroll down, and you will find Pathfinder. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on that red layer, that red path, and make another offset path. So go to Object, Offset Path, make sure that it's round, and then play around with the size that you want it. Once again, Command X to cut it, and Command D to place it in the back so that it's in the back. Once you do that, then change the color to black so then once again we can see what we're doing. And now, as you can see here, we have this nice effect, but I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of that red in the background. Okay, so duplicate it, make another copy, so then if you mess up, you have another one to go to. And now we're going to select everything, and we're going to go to Pathfinder and hit merge. This is important for when we get rid of the red. So then what you're going to want to do with everything selected, hold Shift and M to bring up the shape builder tool, and hold Alt and right click on the red path. When you do that, it'll get rid of it, and this will make the logo transparent. And then now I'm just gonna get rid of the excess red, the parts that I don't want, and some of the black parts that I don't want in the logo as well. Now I'm gonna do the same thing, hold Alt and left click on the red to get rid of all the parts that you don't want. And once again, I'm gonna get rid of some of the black parts that I don't want also. So I'm probably just gonna skip this part. Alright, so it's looking very nice and clean. You zoom out, it looks nice. Get a close up, it looks nice as well. It has that nice stroke outline finish around it. It looks good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna duplicate it again, and now I'm gonna show you how to make the arched effect on the logo. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Effect, and then we're gonna go to Warp, and we're gonna click on Arch, and then we're gonna bring down the bend a little bit. We don't want it bending too much. Just a slight arch is what we're going to go ahead and modify, and that'll push the top part of the logo back, but we just want to do it ever so slightly. We want a slight bend to it. This just brings more character and life and personality to the logo you'll see here, but just adjust it to how you want. I'm just showing you guys some different stuff you can do with it. Once you got it to the point that you like the arch, then go ahead and go to object and then expand appearance, and that just solidifies everything and locks in that warped effect. And then now we can go ahead and change the color. We can change it to any color that we want. So if I want a green, I can change to green, blue. We can change it to any color that we want now after expanding the appearance. So now let's say we want to have like a 2-color logo. What we'll do is we'll go to the rectangle tool. We'll get the color that we want, so we'll make it purple. We'll draw a rectangle and then right click, arrange, send it to the back, then select everything, the rectangle and the logo. Hold Shift and M to bring out the shape builder, then Alt or Option and left click to remove the excess. And now there's purple inside the logo, and then we can change the color of the purple. So it's a whole bunch of things that we can do, but for the most part, that is the tutorial, and that is how I made this logo for a client. And this is how you can also make logos for your clothing brand as well. If you want more logo videos, please just put down in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. God bless y'all. Stay blessed. Peace.